All people aspire to make money online today by sitting at home. Additionally, young people are keen on making money online. But finding an easy way to earn money without investing online is difficult. Sometimes fraudulent agencies get people stuck online. Nevertheless, internet money without investments has been demonstrated to be made. In this video, we are discussing 10 best ways to make money from home with zero money. Before watching this video, you have to like and comment below to watch great video clips to enhance your knowledge. Number 10. Make money online from YouTube. The best approach to generating money online is through YouTube to create engaging or informative videos. Thousands of YouTubers make enormous money. YouTube pays you via Google AdSense, but YouTube provides more revenue. You can profit from several different means such as Google AdSense, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, service, and sponsored videos if you have enough followers on your YouTube channel. You must register for a free YouTube channel before starting to submit useful or fascinating videos on your subjects. The daily uploading of videos can produce fast results, but unique videos must be uploaded. Number 9. Earn money by becoming a freelancer. Freelancing is another popular means of making money through blogging and marketing affiliates. As a self-employed person, you can work temporarily and offer your services to small or large enterprises. Freelancers can make anything from $500 to $2,000 plus a month depending on your customer's task type. You can work as a writer of content, a site designer, a designer of graphics, or offer services such as SEO, data entry, video evidence, digital marketing, etc. Dozens of prominent websites are available, such as Upwork, Freelancer, In Yorkshire, and many more, which allow you to have ready customer support platforms. Number 8. Start a profitable blog. Blogging is a good alternative for you if you are interested in writing and you want to share your thoughts, emotions, or learning with others. To start your trip online, you don't have to be tech-savvy or a computer genius. Starting from blogging is easy, and everything you need for self-hosted WordPress is a name and hosting. In 2 to 3 months, you can start earning. It all depends on how much time you want to spend, hard effort, and determination. Number 7. Earn with affiliate marketing. If you are serious about earning money online and you're hardworking and want to produce significant revenues, then you've got affiliate marketing. The tremendous rise in online purchasing gives a more significant opportunity for affiliate marketing. You may subscribe and promote your products to hundreds of online retailers, including Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, ClickBank, CJ, etc. You aid clients in affiliate marketing by simply developing a simple website to buy the right product and can earn a fee of 4 to 20%. Number 6. Virtual assistant. An online assistant is like a personal assistant who can make money without being physically present by working online for someone. He may take care of websites, advice, writing and editing, content publication, marketing, coding, creation of websites and applications, research, etc. You can sign up for virtual helpers from dozens of organizations, including Hire My Mom, MyTasker, Zirtual, and Assisted. Number 5. Graphic designer. You can find a profitable market out there if you look for design and knowledge of Adobe Creative Suite, Adobe Creative Cloud, including InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop. Use free websites such as Upwork, design logos for companies with 99 designs, the CrowdSpring, the Design Crowd, or host a Skillshare class. Promote your social networking services and design a website that showcases and works for you. Depending on your experience, you can charge $25 to $300 an hour. Number 4. Sell products online on shopping websites. Online selling is one of the best ways of earning cash online, and you can sell your products on major online purchasing sites like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, etc. You will be able to sell things online. By having your internet store, you can also market your products. Many services offer online shopping websites for users. The web provides many benefits. These services are easily accessed by users and include shipping characteristics and payment management features, which only require a small amount of money. Shopify.com is one of the most powerful platforms. Number 3. Website flipping. Like domain trading, flipping websites is also a hot business for online gains. We're not talking about domains here, but websites. You must create a website and work on it for 3 to 6 months or longer to make money from your website. You will be able to place the site on auction on Flipper, Empire Flippers, etc. after about 2 to 3 months. You can quickly receive from this website 15 to 20 times the monthly earning price. Growing an old website is much easier than making a new site and developing a new site. Many experienced people are buying Flipper websites, working on these sites for 3 to 4 months, and making a double or threefold revenue. Number 2. Translation work. The translation is a somewhat underdeveloped field if you need to make money quickly. To achieve this successfully, you must fluently speak at least 2 languages. So, if you're a multilingual or teach in a popular school language, this might be a terrific money-making option. You must prove that you are capable of translating. Ensure you display samples from your portfolio if you have a degree in language or expertise in translating literature. The translation exam is needed for most firms. Note that the languages for which you apply to be a translator must be fluent. You cannot utilize tools for translation. Number 1. Review websites, apps, and software. User testing offers reviewers $10 to give other entrepreneurs comments about our websites and apps if you're passionate about your user experience. This is a quick way to generate money online. Several questions you need to answer when you read their website will be supplied to you. While visiting their websites or apps, you will share your ideas and feedback with the entrepreneur through a video. The duration of your film is just 20 minutes, so you're going to make $30 if you complete 3 videos every hour. It may be pretty competitive, so you must act quickly when adding a new website or app to check. If you want to earn money online, you must use a software judge tool. Thank you for your feedback, and please remember to subscribe to my next video.